Hello guys and welcome back. Today I have a new unboxing from cubezz.com. I ordered two cubes, white and black body GANS 3 57mm, and I'm so excited to get this one. So let's see. Nice. So nothing in there. Okay, so let's see. Wow, cool. First thing I see here, stickers, and also those things for the tensions, so I can tension my cube. So there we go. I ordered the black and white body, and the reason why I wanted to get these two cubes is because I really like GANS cube. I have version 1 and also version 2 here, and version 1 is my main because I looped it, but I didn't loop version 2 yet. But it's good, not that bad. But I prefer just version 1 because it turns better than version 2 because I looped it. Okay, and the reason why I wanted to get these two or this cube is because I really, when I first saw it on YouTube, and I really like the center piece because it's rounded. And when I see the first turns of it on YouTube, I felt like it's different from version 1 and version 2. Because version 1 and version 2, it feels like more or dry from inside. So here's the box. As you can see, the normal box, speed up and brake PB. Okay, so let's see. Wow, I really like the shape of this one. As you can see, I really like them. Okay, so the blue, the white body. Okay, so let's keep those. As you can see here, white and black. Okay, so standard stickers, and these stickers I got, they are rounded as well. So let's see. Yeah, they're rounded. Okay, so let's see first turn. Wow. They're not that bad, to be honest. Yeah, I like them. It's better than the version 1 and version 2. Okay, so let's see the white one. Wow, nice. I really like it. Yeah. So let's scramble it up so I can see the way it turns. It's not that bad. I start liking it, to be honest. The black one feels better than the white one. I don't know why. So let's do a quick solve with camera, and so I think maybe this cube will be my new main. The main cubes, my main cubes now, I'm using the Zanshi and also GANS. I don't use Moyo Lingpu that much because I don't like. It's a good cube, but I don't like the feel of it, and I can't control it very well. That's my problem with it. But it's a really good cube, to be honest. Okay, so I think I'll go and play with it maybe for a week, and then get back to you guys to give my review about it if you were interested. So that's it, yeah, guys, and thanks for watching.